Hello, what is up everybody? It is Maxi here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look, which I use for Keith from Voltron, but it's kind of just a general masculine anime-esque cartoony makeup tutorial. So first you're going to want to put your contacts in. This was only the second time that I ever put color contacts in, so you can see how excited I am about this. These contacts are the EOS Dark Violet Dolly ones. I got them from Unique So. I used face taping for the second time ever, and you can tell that I'm not very good at it because I go too far on the one side. I basically go one on each side of my jawline to make my jawline a bit skinnier, and then one on each cheek to bring my cheeks a little less chubby. And then I use some color correcting paste from, I think it's Barry M. Don't put the wrong color in the wrong part, because then you'll end up like me and have to fix it like this, but yeah, just put the other corrector over the top, I guess. And then I have a Rimmel, I think, primer, so just blend it out with the primer. Full coverage foundation, simple stuff. You don't need that much foundation because I use a lot of concealer, so foundation isn't important. Brows are kind of like the most important part, I think, of a more masculine facial makeup tutorial. You need to thicken your brows up for a more masculine look. Go under your brows, never go over. Going over looks kind of clownish, but if you go under, then it adds more depth to your brow bone, and it also makes your brows thicker. What I do with Keith, because he has such dark eyebrows, is that I go in my normal color and then I go back in with black eyeshadow and an eyeliner brush. I now go in with two different types of concealer. So I have my sort of old trusty sort of rollout concealer, which I use to line my brows because it means that I can get a really sharp line. And then once I've done that, I'll go down my nose, and I'll also use that on my lips because lightening your lips is also a really big part of making your face a bit more masculine. I'll then use a more liquid concealer for under my eyes because it's a bit lighter and it's a bit more complementary. So here my phone actually ran out of storage, so you missed the whole part about me contouring, which is obviously kind of a big deal. I will actually do a full contouring tutorial at some point, and then after that I use some baking powder. So this is me sort of going in with eyeshadow for eyeliner. When you're doing more masculine eyeshadow, definitely go out with your eyeliner, make sure it's not a curve. Once you've got your eyeliner, use a purple eyeshadow on the inside of your eye. It really darkens that area and it's a form of contouring. I then use red under my lower lash line and just all over anywhere the purple isn't. I'll also use this red to sort of add a little bit of blush to my cheeks and sometimes my nose. It is very awkward because it's very easy to do too much of, but it's something that I realized actually adds a lot of depth. It's very easy when you're doing masculine makeup to avoid the blush because it can be quite feminizing. I really recommend that, especially if you're doing a character that has red in the makeup already. So obviously Keith, being the Red Lion, is a very red character, so it's very easy to add a bit of blush. And then I use the same red to add a bit of color to my lower lip only. I love highlighter. The tip of your nose, smudge it over your cheekbones, jawline, and then of course Cupid's bow. If I was doing one of my Overwatch cosplays, I probably wouldn't highlight my Cupid's bow, but come on, Keith is an adorable little space twink and he needs it. So from here all you need to do is just slap on your wig and you're ready to go. But yeah, that's me. So I hope this helps, and I will hopefully do a more useful tutorial for you very soon. Bye!